if you pull up like your favorite song. Me wouldn't mind if you think about me when you play this one. All the stars align. Used to have you on my mind.
Hey guys, back again with another video. In this video I will be talking about some of the things I've been buying in quarantine, and it's phone cases. Yes, my strange addiction, phone case addiction, everything Chris, don't judge me, but I do have a lot of phone cases that I've been buying during quarantine. I know I have a problem. I don't want anybody coming for me because they're not super expensive. Like, most of them are like $2, okay? $2. So I don't know, nobody say, oh, you have so much phone case XYZ. However, if you can guess how much phone cases I have in the comments, I will decide who wins first. Obviously, you have to guess how much I actually have. I personally don't know how much I have. I know it passed 30, but if you can guess how much, give you a hint already. So if you can guess how much I have, comment, and I will email the winner. You know, I will comment that you're the winner. You're supposed to drop your email, and I will email you, and I will mail you a type of case that you want, but you have to wait for it because the case them take long to come. So if you can't wait, I would have the same type of phone, well, you're out of luck. So like I said, comment down below how much case you think I have. I'm gonna get into it. So one of the main reasons why I changed my phone is because I wanted to start collecting phone cases. Having a Galaxy for the last, I want to say 2 to 3 years, it's like people stop making, it's not like them stop making it, but it's like everything was about iPhones, iPhone this, iPhone charger, XYZ, and it's like, I'm like, so when I buy my case then, I was upset. I was very upset. So I decided when I get my iPhone, I was gonna buy case on top of case, because me personally, I like when my case go with the outfit or it goes with my shoes. And when the Lord decides to bless me with an iPhone watch, because me personally, I don't buy it. So if somebody want to buy it as a gift, you know I'm here. But me personally, I'm not buy it because I'm just not buying it. I'm gonna get the bands to match all of these. So I'm gonna just get into my favorite phone cases. So I kind of section them off, although you can't really see. Well, technical difficulties, but yeah, can't really see. I'm gonna try to get it closer. Okay, here we go. I kind of section them off, but then the categories weren't working out. So I kind of have pinks, mostly pinks in the middle, then I have like my photo cases on one side. So I have a lot of photo cases, right? So I discovered this Instagram page that prints photo cases for like, I don't remember if it's $4 or somewhere between $4 and $5. I don't even think it reaches that much, but it takes like forever. Like, it literally takes forever. So this was in like my first set. This was supposed to be 2 separate phone cases, but it was like a mistake. I uploaded this and this together, and I put quantity 2. So actually I accidentally have 2 of these. I wear one all the time and I save one for like special occasion. But this was supposed to be by itself, but I actually love the end result. Like, it came out really nice. Call me conceited, but yeah, girl nice, girl stay good. Then I have this that I'm gonna add my logo to. This is one of my favorite pictures, obviously because the flag is in the background. But this, when I was taking this group of pictures, my YouTube profile picture, I don't plan on changing it anytime soon. But yeah, I couldn't find the original picture, so I used this, and I like the fact that it was like the Snapchat effect. It came out better than I expected it to. And then this is a different type of case, the same Instagram page. I'm gonna link everything down below, so don't worry about that. So this is actually one of my favorite pictures. It's a photo shoot I did back in October. Probably one of my best makeup looks. The lashes are on point, eyeshadow, everything was just great. It's actually more zoomed in than I wanted it to be, but I really like it anyways. And we just have more of me. Hopefully the next person I date, you know, them have the same phone as me, or you know, and then can just rock it. But then again, men are embarrassing. Man embarrassing, cause I'm gonna write the case and tell people say, oh, my passed away and RIP and them things there. Man stay bad, so never mind. Never mind. Man embarrassing. Don't want nobody wishing bad luck, mommy. Too much. Anyways, this is also one of my favorite pictures. I know I don't like me, but you know, I'm gonna fix up, I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna put on my good ear. Yeah, girl, nice girl, come out. Anyways, I have, these are like just like regular cases from AliExpress. It's also like a photo case. And then I don't know why I have so much pink cases, cause I like pink, but I don't really like pink that much, if that makes sense. But them cases I did have above, and I just need them in my life, so I decided to buy them. So this is Mickey Mouse, very cute. Actually, I have an outfit that I'm gonna wear when I rock this case. This is one of my favorites. It took like forever to get this case, by the way. Most of these cases I ordered them either in late March or early April, and sometimes just come in June, end of May, like them take long. This one, it's like a texture design. Okay guys, I'm gonna try to link most of these if I can find them, because sometimes I buy things and I go back and the link doesn't work anymore, but I'll try my best to link everything. Alright, more to the excitement and the phone case them. So yeah, I like designer inspired cases. I couldn't find the seller who was selling this. I wanted to get this in like 2 more colors, because this color is nice, and this part here, I'm gonna take those and show them. The case them come out, man. And the shipping for the designer cases are somewhat faster, because you actually have to pay for the shipping. The other one name is free shipping. So this, you can slide a 1 card or a 2 card here. I personally might not bring any cards in here, but I don't know. Then you have this one. I like this one too. These are all from different sellers, and they're like really hard to find because they have to censor the photos, because on AliExpress, if you're selling anything like this, if you post a picture, in no time they get rid of the listing. It's kind of weird, because like I'm trying to really mix everything, so it's like it doesn't really matter. I've wanted one of these cases for like forever, and I'm glad I finally got one. It's probably one of the most priciest cases. It's like, it wasn't almost $10, but the shipping made it a little more than that, because the shipping was like $5, and then the case was like, so this is one of my favorites. But people in the US are trying to sell these cases for like $35 and $40, and AliExpress exists. Like, please, not this girl. I'm not pay for $40 case. Not me. Nope. I'm gonna even pay $40 for my charging case. So I bought a charging case. It was on sale. A really nice case. This one is cute. It's like I wouldn't want it. It's not tight. It's like down. It's no like a Galaxy wash. I don't know. but I love the color. It's pretty lightweight, and this cheaper than what them people sell designer case, and it's not even real. Like, why am I paying so much for a case? And then I love me some perfume cases. Like, perfume cases are them just nice, them come out. And then this also came with a strap, because as you can see, the black one has a strap. They come with straps. Love that, love that, love that. And then I got this from Amazon. This was like one of my first cases. I got this after my clear case that's currently on my phone now. I've worn it quite a few times, but I stopped wearing it because I don't want it to dull if I want to bring it somewhere special. And then I just have some random colors. These also take forever. These random colors. I think a few of these are from Shein. Shein also has nice cases, and them shipping kind of quicker. So if you want to check out Shein, I got this from Amazon though. Nice red case. These, I got all these colors because neutral colors are so nice, and I have like 3 different green cases. Don't ask me why. I'm just extra enough. But yeah, this is like a lime green, this is a neon green, this is a other lime green, but this is the plain version. This one have the design. And then we'll have more neon cases, cause I love me some bright colors. And let me see what else. There's this one. This is basic. I might design this. This is just a plain clear case, but this get out the phone like it just gives a look. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it just gives a look what I like. I do plan on getting this in like another color, but like I said, I might customize the clear one. I already have a clear case. And then these are also fun patterns to get, like just regular cheetah prints. Another type of clear case, but it's like a off neon color. And then pearl. Anything with pearl is it's a hit. It's a hit. These cases are, like I said, I don't pay. The AliExpress case, the most expensive AliExpress case is $10. I don't go over that. Like I said, my charging case from Casely, I'm gonna link it. It might not be on sale, but it's still a good case. The most expensive case I have, and it's because it's a charging case. Me personally, not spend no money on a regular case like I'm gonna spend on this. Like, I would buy another one like this, but I don't need another one. And then there's also these kinds of cases that I like. I have another one, but it's like buried in there. But yeah, cases are a must. Girl, if I have nice case, I love when case just carry off the phone. Like, yeah, people with a bulky case. I've never been the bulky case type of girl. I don't care. My phone I go drop it. I go drop and it I go broke. If it for broke, so be it. I don't like the bulky case business. I don't have a screen protector and whatever else I need. I don't like the whole bulky case. That's for old people, and it just not cute. It's not cute. When I get phone in a bulky case, I get phone for have it and it for look nice. Anyways, I also have these. I need to get some pop sockets, but I'm customizing some pop sockets for one of my logos. This is like an iridescent. This is like sparkles. These are all like pockets though. Really cute. These are nice accessories. So pop sockets are my other go-to, but I don't have the patience with pop sockets because I feel like every time I put it on my phone then pop off, literally. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in for, you know, my strange addiction, the phone case edition, because phone case to buy, sale out. If you want one, email me, because at this point we're not going anywhere. I don't know why, Why me I buy so much phone case? I don't know. Cause we're not going anywhere. By the time I start at them case, yeah, the iPhone 13 drop. Honestly, truly, if you want a phone case, just link me. Good price. I'm gonna have the good things then. Just know. But anyways, thank you guys again for tuning in. This is part 1 of what I've been buying in quarantine. And I can't really see it, but the bag situation here, this is like the pile. That's the pile of things that I've been buying during quarantine. And I know quarantine, one thing I don't know, so I kind of stop, but 95% of those things, black owned business. The whole phone, like I say, phone case thing, more support black business, but like I say, me personally, not buy a phone case for $40. I'm sorry. I don't need it that much. I'm sorry. It might be a struggle to find it on AliExpress, but me personally, I'm not paying $40. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Anyways, until next time, guys.
Any point, any girl, many pun, many, so we do it when you boss up.